There's a disconnect in America because there's so many people that live in urban environments that are completely removed from the process of growing, raising cattle, raising animals, raising food, growing vegetables.
See, this is not talking about women's choices of footwear, but I call this high heel life. That means you're well above the earth. You're living in an apartment which is 14 floors above the earth. You're walking all the time with insulated from the earth. You're trying to be away from the earth. Which is a wrong way. People may believe they will go to different types of heavens depending on their belief systems, but we all come from the same soil. Being connected with that is most essential because the body is thriving only because of its natural connection. The only question we have in our life is, will we get this, that soil is the basis of our existence here, will we get this now or will we get it when we're buried? That's the only choice we have.
I really enjoyed this. You gave me a lot to think about.